What's the brew?
Make sure you like and subscribe to your favorite beer show.
You're checking out a new exclusive.
What's the brew?
What's the brew?
What's the brew?
What's the brew? What's the brew?
Episode 5. Check us out. We're starting on the treadmill today. Y'all know I love beer, but I enjoy looking good and feeling good even more. I've still got like 10 minutes left. I just want to get to this week's delicious brew. Lucky for y'all, this is television. So let's get to it. In 3, 2, 1. From Fort Collins, Colorado to distribution throughout 18 states, Odell has crafted award-winning beers and built an extraordinary legacy. Since 1989, they've put love into every brew. So today, we are talking about Odell's MILKSHAKE IPA. Cloudcatcher milkshake. And no, it's not a milkshake. It's like Christmas Day right now. Check out this can art. The colors actually remind me of a creamsicle. MILKSHAKE IPAs are typically brewed with milk sugar and lactose to give it that creamy, velvety, smooth taste. And this style typically is brewed with sweet ingredients that you would find in a milkshake, like strawberries, peaches, chocolate, vanilla, mangoes. You see where I'm going here. This delicious and crushable Odell brew has notes of peach and creamsicle. Flavor so good, you'll have you licking your lips. Message. What's the brew? My message for you. Catch your breath. Yeah, catch your breath. It's not over. Let me explain. One of my awesome plants, and I love plants, an orchid, a couple months ago started dying. Brown leaves, wilting, buds falling off, just no bueno. I counted it as a loss. I tried to trim it, tried different things, and I've got a green thumb. I mean, it's brown right now, but it's really green. A couple weeks ago, I was just struck with inspiration because I realized that this plant came back. And I wish I could have taken before pictures, but like I said, I counted it as a loss. But this plant came back better than ever. If this once almost dying living thing can come back and come back strong, who's to say that you can't? Keep your head up, catch your breath. Hey, you can always just try again tomorrow. Shout out to Odell Brewing and all of my amazing What's the Brew fans, followers, supporters. Thank you so much. New episode alert. All new episode next week.